So I'm Jamie Bourgeois, and I own Bourgeois Baby, which makes high-end boutique organic baby bibs that are based on modern cloth diapers. And I do everything by hand. There's no like machinery or templates that I use to cut. The retail bibs that were on the market just were not cutting it for us. And I tried everything on the market you can put your hands on. And then I realized, oh, wait a minute, I can probably make exactly what I need. So that's what I ended up doing. And I, because I am a serial hobbyist, couldn't make just a couple. I made a whole bunch and more and more and more. So from there, Bourgeois Baby was pretty much born. I shop all the popular stores just like everybody else, and I see something and I'm like, oh, that's just the same recycled sort of thing for the season that they had for the last 20 years, just a different take, you know, on some cutesy little bunny on a baby outfit or whatever. And that's actually what inspires me, is to offer something that's different than that. I wish I had a better, like a more positive, sunshiny outlook on where my inspiration comes from, but it actually comes from things I don't like. So if I don't like something and I would like it a different way, then that's kind of where my inspiration comes from. Which is, for instance, how the bibs came about. I didn't like anything that was out on the retail market and decided to do it kind of my own way. I think for myself, it expresses just my need to constantly create. You know, I'm not making any great, big, you know, masterpieces, but that need to get my hands on something, to take it from, you know, some piece of square fabric all the way to the end and all those little steps in between. It's extremely therapeutic. I dislike that there doesn't seem to be value in what handcraft means. If I could spend, you know, 8, 10, 12 hours in my studio a day, 7 days a week, I would love it. There's absolutely nothing about the creative process I dislike.